Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Bluetooth adapter on PlayStation 5. Let's go. If you are using a Bluetooth adapter for a keyboard or mouse, then connect the adapter to the console. The connection is made automatically. If it is not connected, then there should be a pairing button on the device. If you are using PS5 and SONY headphones, then hold down the PS5 button. If you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to the PlayStation 5, you will need a special Bluetooth adapter. We connect the USB to the console and the 3.5mm to the controller. After that, you can connect any Bluetooth headphones to the PlayStation 5. That's it. Now you know how to use Bluetooth adapter on PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.